like the way you, I like the way you dance for me.
Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Toya. I hope you guys are doing well. So today, by my mood and the title of this video, I'm feeling very excited and happy today. I created this soft glam makeup look, and this makeup look is inspired and dedicated to my friend Karen Spivey. I sure hope that she's watching this tutorial. Big up yourself. So all the products that I've used today in this video will be listed down in the description box, so be sure to check it out. I do have a giveaway on my channel currently. It will end on the 29th of April, and I will announce the winner on the 30th of April, so be sure to check it out, you guys. Don't miss it. I will have it attached at the end of this video, so be sure to look out for it, and I will also have it listed down in the description box. So without further ado, let's get into this makeup tutorial. Well, this is the same routine. I normally just go ahead and start off with my brows. Basically, I'm just lining it, brushing it out with a spoolie, which is very important, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and clean it up with my BH Cosmetics concealer palette. It's a color right, she will get you right. She intellectual and know the mind right. And then you kind of woman not easy to find. I'm putting in time to find mine. Okay, so after we're finished blending out that concealer on our lids, we're just gonna go ahead with this transition color today, and I'm using that orange in my crease area, and I'm just gonna blend it a little bit lower on my mobile lids, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start applying the rest of my eyeshadow. Basically, I'm going for a very soft glam makeup look today, so I'm not gonna be doing too much with the eyes. And here I'm using my contour palette actually to darken my inner and outer corners of my eyes. So I'm just going to go ahead and add that color on there until I've achieved the look that I want. I don't want it too dark. I just want it, you know, just a little bit smoky, and then we're just going to keep blending it out until we achieve the look that we want. Okay, loves, so the tip for today is let your products do the work for you. I have a friend, and she was explaining to me that her brushes are breaking on her because she's holding her brushes too tightly. So what I'm telling you guys, instead of holding your brushes so tightly, you just hold it very lightly and you let the brush do what it's supposed to do. Especially if it's a blending brush or a foundation brush, whatever brush it is, you let that brush do the work for you. And when you're using sponges, don't stamp it onto your face because you're damaging your skin. You want to hold the sponge lightly, and then you just tap it softly onto your skin, because you can break your skin, you can cause pimples and all of that stuff. So just hold your products very lightly, and then you let those do the job for you, okay? So what you see me doing here next, I'm just adding that soft gold shimmer color on my mobile lids, and I'm just adding it into the center using my fingers. And later on, I'm just going to go ahead and blend it out with my brush that I had used in my inner and outer corner, and I'm just going to blend that color in together seamlessly. And just because it was looking a little bit too dark, I went ahead and I added that same orange transitional color back onto my lids, and I just blended both of those colors together for it to look much more softer and more seamless. So because this is a very glammed look, you want to make sure that you're concealing your dark spots. So this is specifically for those of you, like, you know, if you're going on night on the town, or if you're going to be having a long day, you want to make sure that you conceal those dark spots, because it makes your makeup last longer, and there's no extra product you have to use to cover up those dark spots. So that's what you see me doing here. I'm just going to go ahead and add my foundation, spritz my brush a little. Nothing much that I've changed in this routine, so I'm just gonna forward through that, and I'll let you guys enjoy the music.
Just so you should know, I wanna be the one that's on your mind. So tell me now if it's a waste of time. Baby, come and let me know. Just let me know. 'Cause my heart, it breaks so easily. You hold my heart and take advantage of it. And I know that I should probably walk away. Ooh, baby. But yet I remain. I
I love the fact that I'm giving different lip color options in these tutorials lately. So here I'm showing you that I'm using this bright red lipstick at first, and then I always choose for the nude lips for those of you who really don't like too much on your lips. So I'm adding this red lip here, and then you'll see me change it up in a bit.
Me not try pretty it up. Me know fi appreciate a good work. So who no like hear me chop it up rough. I want me fi stop just to run out of luck.
And take advantage of it. And I know that I should probably walk away. Ooh, baby. But yet I remain. This one's dedicated to the one I love. Hope that one day my love could be just enough. I hope you.
And that is all for today, guys. Thank you guys so much for sticking to the end. So as I've mentioned earlier, I will have the giveaway video listed down in the description box, and if you guys don't want to go over there, then I will have the giveaway rules mentioned in this description box, so be sure to check it out. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year, so please do help me share my videos. Comment down below. I love having conversations with my subscribers. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see me do next. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Amen.